900 hours on this 2018 MT85. Now we went over it and made sure that all the pulleys and the rollers on the tracks are in good shape. That isn't a very cheap thing to do, but we made sure that everything's good, replaced all the worn ones. So when you drive it, it's not going to be squeaking and squawking like some of the worn out ones do. So again, if you're ever going to compare our MT85s with somebody else's, you say, wow, their price is a little bit more, but check the rollers on the other ones. If they're squeaking and squawking, you got a lot of work to do, and that can be a bit expensive. So this one's excellent condition. It is a wide track, ready to go.